Let's add a date field in PDF using Adobe Acrobat. After opening the PDF with Acrobat, go to Tools. In here, click on Prepare Form, and here select Start. And here you will find this Add a Date Field option. Click on that, and then go ahead and draw a date field just like this. And here type your field name, and then you can make the date field required by checking this option and click on all properties, or you can just click on your date field, right click on your date field and click on properties. Here you can select general, and you can add here a tooltip. You can change your date field name, go to appearance, and here you can change border color. You can select a fill color, and you can also change your font size, and then go to position. Here you can change your date field position, go to options. Here you can change alignment, go to actions and go to format, and here you can change your date field format. We can see the preview. Once you're happy, close this and click on close. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added a date field to my PDF file. So that's how you can actually do it.